ting, 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 ting. Like the tiniest little, like as if Clank was doing it as his little miniature self. That's what it sounded like.
Ooh.
Huh? Oh god.
Frick. Well, okay, this is not working as originally anticipated.
Well, he's almost halfway.
I'll say, when do you stop doing that?
You can get health. Is that health?
Yes. But I gotta wait for him to stop being a massive douche. There. The sad fact of this is I've only used that one gun.
Yeah.
So all the ammo I just picked up didn't do anything. Oh, cool, you're gonna fly over there? Oh, great. I can hit you over there.
Help!
Oh, freak. Okay, well, at least I got help out of that.
See? Ting, 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 ting.
Oh, God, where are you landing? Land. Haha! That's such a big jump. Like, I think I'm gonna miss it. And then it's like, ah! Are you gonna land? Can I lock onto you?
Huh. It's so scary.
Oh, I still have him. Hello.
What?
Oh god, I forgot I don't have Clank. Actually, like that.
Oh,
makes
were you gonna?
I was.
I like how I knew what I was talking about.
Yeah.
Were you gonna?
That worked! I win! I earned 150 bolts for that, by the way.
Oh.
I agree! What's his fault?
Everything that's happened.
Yeah! Let's get off this planet before we end up dead.
Or worse.
Or worse. Which for Clank is nothing because he's already a robot.
Yeah.
If I jump back on there, can I have... Are you going to make me... Can I just have the ammo? Yeah? Alright. Just want the ammo, please. It's kind of a lot of ammo.
It is.
Oh my god, and it comes back.
What?
Let's go stand here and get some ammo. Don't mind me. Do I have to walk away?
Do you have to walk away? Walk away.
Yeah, that was pretty funny.
Aw, damn it.
What?
You know that song's gonna be stuck in my head.
Your fault.
For like hours.
All your fault.
I'm gonna wake up and I'm just gonna go, walk away.
It's your own fault.
Now I'm sad. I'm gonna have dreams of walking away. Walking.
Into robots!
What?
It's like the Death Star, you can only fire it once in a while. The time is not actually just determined, it's just a long time.
Is that an Assassin's Creed?
Yes, it is.
Nice.
Yeah, right. It normally hangs properly, but I can't remember. Oh, if there's the other nail. Like, I just saw the other nail. Oh. Last time I was up there to try to hang it, I forgot where it was. But yeah.
Betty cool.
Crap!
Ha. Ha ha ha. I win. Yes.
Why do I keep getting the wrong end of that? Bio-obliterators! It's not is. There's no S to it.
You want to check viewers?
Nope.
Yes, I can.
Nope.
Okay.
I will. Okay. Go ahead.
Okay. Oh yeah, everyone's still watching.
Kat likes to know who's watching because she can't just deal with the numbers.
You know what?
Happens.
You check the viewers all the time.
I check them on my phone though.
Oh.
Oh, did you see that? He's a robot. It happened during the... See what happens? You distracted me by the viewers. See? There you go. Let's see.
What?
Oh, he's half robot himself.
Oh.
Alright, Quark's dead. I forgot.
Yeah.
I actually forgot Quark was dead. Because
Had the
I
little funeral
didn't even,
thing.
like, care about it.
Well, because Quark is
Quark.
Quark.
Because Quark is Quark. Yeah, that's so far off. 250,000. I actually know how we could do that relatively quickly.
Yeah.
But it would require time for me to find all the hoo-ha for it. The crash site! And no, I've been watching here. Twitch is the only thing that's grainy, and I don't know why, but it's not grainy on my broadcaster, or is it grainy on my capture card or my TV? Obviously, going backwards, but... So I don't know why it's broadcasting that way,
Yeah, it's kind of weird.
but
I noticed that when we first started.
it's not on our end.
It's Twitch.
That's what I'm gonna say. Okay. Are you gonna lower me down or am I going down? Okay, I'm going down. Alright. We're gonna go lava gun first.
Yay! Get him.
Where did the other one go?
I don't know. It was definitely there, though. Unless it's that one. But that's really weird.
Level 5! It's blue!
It is blue.
Yeah, it is. Okay, so now I need to get into cover because I can't hit those guys in the air. So, how many level 5s is that? 3 now?
I think.
Ooh, let's do this.
My goodness, that takes a lot.
Oops. You know what? Shouldn't have.
Jeez. That gun sucks.
That's why I'm trying to level it up. Because it needs to stop sucking. Oh, look, crates. And the way... Oh my god, are you serious?
More of that. I'm not looking.
Okay. It's probably best because this is kind of a confusing one. It takes me to a titanium bolt to get me back to my ship.
Oh.
What is that crap?
It totally makes sense. I'm still looking at you because
so
I
yeah,
can't
no,
look
no,
at
I
the
understand,
screen.
I understand. There, it's good.
Okay.
I forgot, like, I just went back to it. Like, I'm so used to it by now, it's just like... You're gonna not like, at least the weapons of mass destruction. Just warning you now.
Okay.
It does not get better. You guys move too far! Dang it! You guys are sucking up my suck.
I'm sorry, they're what?
They're sucking... Oh! Oh,
That
you're
is a
not
big
you're
deal.
not going in there, are you? You're... Oh, good.
Oh.
The two guys behind him killed him.
Nice.
I'll take it.
That works.
Eh. Sucking up all the fun, if you know what I mean. And look, another trophy!
Yay!
They did not do a good job of hiding that one. As that was
They
somewhere
really
I
didn't.
looked. Pausing for the cause. Oh, don't pause for the cause. Eh. Oh.
Not make you mess
Suck
with
it. No, I do
streaming,
not.
Because I could say
It's
streaming.
all good mood.
Okay. It's so weird. I wonder why it's so green.
I would really like that bolt multiplier now. Oh god, I died. Dang it! Every time I get the bolt multiplier, I die. Frick! Suck it. Just die. Excuse me. I'm out of ammo. Just suck it. Just all of you, just freaking Go away.
What or what for?
I don't care anymore.
6.
Yay! Okay, I care a little bit. Level 4.
Leveled up.
Oh, cool. It's right, full ammo. And I got more ammo. He says, completely unsure of himself. Are you going in there? No, you're not going in there. Okay. Can't tell where you're at. There you are. Suck it. I killed him.
Got it.
Okay. First time, every time. Oh god. I walked into the slow-moving bullets. It doesn't help running backwards.
One hour later.
God, how many shots? Almost half, over half my clip.
Oh.
Yeah, I don't even want to figure out how long that's gonna take. I'm just gonna do that there. I say I know it's killing him or the dude's behind him. It's not.
Yeah.
It's not me. I gotta watch for my shots here.
Oh, there's a little guy like crouched back there.
Yeah, I see him.
He's trying to be all stealthy.
Am I almost out of ammo? No, and there. I killed him with my next last shot. Oh, and one good for good measure.
Oh. Wow. Just for that. The only time he moves
Really?
was just to get out of that.
There we go. I like how it bounced up high enough to hit him.
To unlock the insomnia. Oh, what are the trophies for him? And our friend answered, unlock the Insomniac Museum.
Which, by the way, guys, I originally had said that I was going to try to do it. I did look up the trophies because I know some of them are not location based or challenge based. I just didn't realize how it's quite a few of them are like that, and the challenges are just way too much for me to try to do. So I'm like not even. I'm not even gonna really try. God dang it! It starts back here. Oh, that's already leveled up. What is not? Pause menu. What is not? Oh, the plasma whip.
What?
I forgot all about that. The Agents of Doom we need to use. That's level 3. It's level 2. I can't imagine what that gun's gonna look like at 5.
Mm-hmm. You can glitch through the wall
Yeah,
instead
I
of
don't
getting
want
all
to
of
do that
them.
though. That sounds like cheating.
Yeah, we'll just use cheats to get a lightsaber and...
Oh, come on. That doesn't actually do anything beneficial. It's just awesome.
It is awesome.
Frick, I forgot about this. It keeps pushing me forward. I don't want to go forward anymore. I want to go back. Yeah, we're just gonna do that. And die. I killed him.
Yes.
I gotta buy ammo.
Run, my little minions, run. Kill.
Go that way.
Wrong way.
That way.
Wrong way, my little
Go
minions.
that way.
Skitty. Skitty.
God, really? It doesn't, it takes more than, really? You can't
There's
jump
a wall
over the
there.
wall?
There's a wall there, little guys.
Sorry, buds. There you go. Oh, I got one trapped on the other side of the wall now.
They're all just sitting there like, I don't understand this wall thing. There we go. Oh, that one understood.
I'm just buying ammo as I go here. So stupid. They keep running into the freaking wall.
Mm-hmm.
There, destroy the freaking wall. I don't care. I wasn't using it for anything at all.
Except to block your little minions.
I was using it for anything good.
Ah. Well, that changes.
Died.
Oh!
How much? I'm still not at enough. Oh frick! You know what? I'm just freaking. I pulled out the wrong gun.
That was faster.
This is gonna be even quicker. Yeah,
Nice.
yeah. That's how we're
Very
gonna do
nice.
this. Just kind of. Oh crap!
that
Crap!
guy.
I forgot about him. And Okay. All right. We got this. There. We're gonna do something different. Kill you.
Technically, glitching is not cheating, but you don't gain anything from the museum except for knowledge.
Yeah. No. I figure. I wanted to do the museum for you guys, but it's gonna take so much freaking work. That I just don't. I'd rather put into playing the next game.
And Siggs is saying, "Bad Doom, stop going into the wall."
Really?
One shot at a time. But you.
Fire your shot so I can aim. There.
Got it.
Freaking. So what's sad is it takes 2 shots per everything I want to kill.
Mm-hmm. Little guys.
Oh, well, that didn't suck.
That didn't suck. So we're not using the rift gun anymore?
Yeah, we are. It just requires me to not be dodging bullets and be able to think.
Oh.
Really? Oh, wow. Eat shotgun! Yeah! Yeah! You want to talk about a weak gun. Oops. Well, oops, I didn't
It's
even hit
a
it.
shame you cannot change the clock like an old one's.
Yeah. Who said that?
6.
That's not on this game, Sigs.
Like the old ones, is I think what it is.
Yeah, it's because in the second Ratchet and Clank, I think you can set the time and it'll open up another museum, but it was like a development playground kind of thing.
Oh.
Haha! So the problem is it sucks them up so slow. There's so
yeah.
many of them to take. It's like
So, which one do I take first?
Okay, I'll say I know there's a big dude. Just gonna wait. There.
No. That was scary.
Yeah, really? Through the freaking wall.
Apparently, it's not a very secure wall.
There. No, stay there! Stay there! Ah, little booger flying piece of crap.
Is there any health nearby?
No, that's not what I want. I want that. Suck it.
Little guy
yes, right over there. Yeah, I see the health. Oh, are you kidding me? Come on, man. It's already hard enough as it stands. Oh, cool. Oh, cool. It's catching them as they're coming at me. There. Oh,
God.
frick. This is a safe wall. I'll stand behind here while I think of my next action. I'll say if I thought I had enough... Oh, crap. If I thought... If I had enough time, I could try to aim this.
Yeah. There you go.
Oh.
You did it.
I just realized...
Never mind, I just realized there are vid comics in the museum that you normally can't get, and the comics are the very first map they did, and the one they released with a different boss. The original boss, which was later cut out because it was too complex for the system.
Whew. Hey, buddy. Die. Oh, crap.
Wow.
That's really close.
And you already got all the health things that were there?
Oh, yeah. Oh, the one, yes.
Oh, there was only one. Well, at least you know the ground is more secure than a wall, because the walls like to break. Or just, you know, be transparent to bullets.
Okay, here we go.
Yeah. So scary.
It's like I almost like hold my breath to do it. It's like, yeah, alright. Alright! Oh, frick. Not today, buds. Come on, all of you. Just come on out. Come on.
He's gonna stay back. Those two are gonna stay back, apparently.
Are you... You're not level... Oh, we gotta change that. Suck it! Really? I have 10 shots... Oh my god. I have 10 shots and it takes 3 to kill one of them. I guess to kill them is the answer to what I meant to say there. Alright. I think I almost... Oh, that was almost on there. I know the answer to this. Haha! Suckers! I like suck. Get it? Suckers. It's funny.
Sack. It's like getting old.
It's not.
There.
Never gets old. You're saying that because you're... Yeah.
Saying that because what?
Because I couldn't finish the sentence. Oh god! Oh, this is a bad wall.
I don't like that wall. I don't think that's gonna provide very much cover for very long.
Fire! Oh god!
What the hell just
I was
happened?
pushing the fire button and she didn't fire. Ah, that was bad.
I had like a mini heart attack there. I'm just saying, and I'm not even playing.
Oh crap! I'm
And
running out of all my good ammo. Oh wait. Yeah, shoot each other. You're pretty bad at this shooting.
There we go.
Yay! Because sharing is caring. Oh god. I was so scared. Help. Oh god. Like I was sitting there like, fire. It will fire! Oh god, we're gonna die! There's the crash site. We're done! Alright! Bloop.
Whee!
Oh. Now we're done! Well, with this part. Oh, right, this is the crash site. Oh, right. The ship that we blew up, we thought Quark died. The crotchetizer. It's still... Ew.
Ew.
I just realized...
Ew.
You the real MVP? Oh. Lucky day. Oh god, I just threw up a little bit.
Yeah?
A little bit.
I did like a lot.
I did a lot. Yeah. Watch it, buddy. Yeah, I mean, don't get fresh with me. Very literally. Unless, in fact, Quark had that in his possession. I don't want to question this.
I don't want to... Those are quite bouncy.
I don't know what this crotchetizer does. It's so weird. Yes, the chat over the crotchetizer. I keep thinking the crotchetizer now. The chat over the gameplay is a new thing we're trying out. We just put it up tonight, and it's working very well so far. I think
It'll be good for the YouTube.
I would say that was. Yeah, why don't you go and explain that?
What the main?
Yeah, the reason why. Well, it's for the YouTube video, so that when you watch the YouTube videos,
And we're just
you'll be
talking
able to see,
and answering.
Yeah, you'll be able to see the chat.
So that when
Has the monkey been there the whole time?
Oh
look, it's the last. It's the last. Oh no, wait. I was hoping it was the last vid comic. Yeah, I like it too. Can you guys read it okay? Because I can't. Like, it looks like crap on our end, but I also realized that we.
It's also really tiny on our
Yeah,
end.
so our end is modified a lot. God, we use so much ammo. I mean, granted, I'm crying about, nothing. Sucking disc blade gun! Because it shoots wow, giant footprints going that way.
I wonder which way we should
Oh,
go.
frick.
Wow. Not that way. I do not think that is the way that was intended to go.
Buy yourself some better armor. That's actually a true thing. It's not actually that far-fetched. Oh, frick, go, frick, go, frick, go, frick, go, frick, go, frick, 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 frick.
Jump, 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 jump.
Yeah,
Okay.
I did it!
Oh crap, they're behind you too.
Oh, yeah, I see them. Hada! Oh my god, this blade gun is
It's
so
legible.
awesome. It's legible? Okay. Yeah, I didn't
That's
expect it
good.
to be
It'll-
perfect. I just kind of wanted it to
It'll
be
work
better
for the
than...
YouTube then.
Are we... Okay, we were walking up this. Okay. I was like, I didn't figure it'd be perfect, but it's...
As long as it's legible so people know what we're talking about when we randomly say something that isn't in context.
Oh god! Die! Just die already! Oh, frick.
Ah.
I'm almost out of ammo. How many? I have one
You have,
shot.
like, one left.
Okay, I gotta
Yeah.
switch out. To the infector that magically actually defies gravity. Don't question it. Shut up. Trying really hard to infect you to die.
I would say he was infected. He just
There.
there he goes. Eventually, there we go.
Oh, Jesus. 20 shots? Alright.
You can
Well,
do-
that
oh,
was
God.
a fail and a half. Oh, frick, it's not. Ha! That was really close.
Ooh.
Display items out of ammo, so we're gonna have to do one of these. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do
Huh.
this. Right?
At least it's only one shot. Little zap there. Make sure you're paying attention. That's what that was.
Oh my god, the rockets are like derped.
What?
The rockets are
What's
so
that?
derped, they're not working. Oh my god, none of my guns are freaking working! Alright, well, we know what gun did work. So we'll just go with this. We'll just go with that.
There you go.
That seems to be working.
Okay. Oh god.
Ah!
You have 4 health.
I know, I'm so scared. This is how... What am I shooting? What is going on? Why is the...
It really doesn't like whatever is going on here.
Suck it. I will shower you with shells.
And eventually.
I don't even care. I just want you to go away. I can't even see you. Oh, frick. There. I can't even see that guy. Ugh!
Ah! Oh god.
Ugh!
Yeah.
Get back, get back, get back, get back.
There was a lot of guys there. What about the rift?
I'm busy. Sorry. Busy trying to kill those guys. Okay, now rift. Now I can think the rift. Like, what,
what
just
just
happened?
happened?
I have no idea where that rift went.
Ugh.
Oh! Yes!
Wow, nice timing on that. Very nice timing.
That was
I
almost
want to
horrible.
see that.
Sorry, momentary pause.
It was like 0, 70.
Oh, that was amazing. Was that the whole point of that? Was just to get up, like, seriously? Just to get me back to the ship via thingy?
Continue point?
No. Really?
What?
That was legit it?
Why would you?
I had to fight all those god-awful creatures just to do that when I could just ran back? No way. I'm actually using this to try to look under the thing. No, like, that's legit.
Wow.
Wow.
Okay.
Well, alright, I guess we'll just go back. Now this isn't the longest zip line ever.
Yeah, no kidding. You'd be going so fast right now.
That's
there
true,
would be
yeah.
no safe, like, stopping
I'm
unless
holding
it
a
went
lightsaber.
Back up to slow you down.
Oh, I see. You're wondering. We're having a party. Iridia. Alright, we're gonna go to Iridia. Because that equals bolts. And right now, we need bolts.
We always need bolts.
Always need bolts. And when you think you don't need bolts, you need more bolts.
I like bolts.
Okay, yeah, so it's my hair that's making me hot. Because I just put it over my ear and it's like, oh god. Up-a-dub-a-doop-a-doop-boo-boo. Alright, here we go. The tunnels of the outpost for 10,000 bolts. We need to buy ammo because we spent a lot of it earlier. We're coming out of the tunnels? No. Got it. Okay. We're going to do this. Just gonna do this. It's working pretty well. Just saying, they kind of just exploded.
Yeah.
Who else wants to come out? Let's play. Let's play a game called Die. Just right there. Yep.
That's my favorite.
There you go.
It's my favorite.
Man, this is there any more loot, like crates for me to go bust over there? No. Ooh, what's over here?
A thingy with annoying walkways.
Nothing.
And nothing. No. Ledges that you can.
I'm betting you it's a bolt.
That always kills my head. Or it's nothing.
Or it's. It seems like a lot of stuff for nothing.
Agreed.
Are there more over there? No. Okay. Let me know if they come back. I'll come back around and quit dirking around over here. Seriously? What the hell was that supposed to be?
I don't understand that.
Well, let's go back. Woo! I did that purposefully just for you, by the way.
Thank you.
I went that weird route and everything. We got more? Am I supposed to push forward? I don't actually know what the.
I'm assuming.
Okay. Oh wow, the infector's almost level 4.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, it was.
Nice. Like right before he let off his first hit. Skadoosh. There's like. Ah. Welcome back, Sigs.
Hi, Sigs. I love this game. So much fun. Where did my dudes go?
The ones still behind cover behind you?
Oh, I'll take that shot.
Oh, what? Huh. Wow, that did a lot of damage.
Oh wow, it did.
You were at 70.
Do I need to go in there?
I am assuming.
I don't really want to. I see you over there, but I'd rather kill you via any other means. Oh wait, no, I want weapons. Here we go. Alright. Now I feel okay going in here. They're pushing my hovercraft. Do I need to shoot? Oh my.
Wow, he was right there.
I'm out of ammo. Oh, I'm out of ammo. No. Yes.
Annihilator.
little bouncy thing.
Okay. How do I go up? Oh, okay. Oh, wait. Okay.
Got it?
Got it! What's up, suckers? Rockets for days! That was it. That was the mission.
Just.
Okay, friends. Hey, everybody. Okay, sorry. Hey, friends. Okay, so I have something I must go take care of. So I'm going to take down the stream for about half an hour, and then I'll be back, and we will play through the rest of this, and we'll probably play till about for another hour after that. So I'm really sorry to cut the stream in half. Normally I wouldn't do that, but there's some stuff going on that I have to take care of. So for those of you that can't stick around or don't, you should get the memo whenever I come back. You know, email, yeah. But yeah, it should be about 30-ish minutes. So if I don't see you, thank you very much for watching. We're very glad to have all of you here, and we'll see you guys next time.